I'm going to show you the exact three-step process I use to help my crypto clients avoid full CRA audits. It's called the CRA Audit Readiness Framework, and it's the exact playbook I've used to help my clients respond quickly, confidently, and in every case so far, close the file without it escalating. You usually only get 30 days to respond, so every day counts. And the truth is, most people waste half that time just trying to figure out what the CRA even wants. So let's break down how this works. Hi, I'm Charlene Tessier, your Canadian crypto tax expert. Most people panic when the CRA comes knocking, not because they're trying to hide anything, but because they genuinely don't know how to respond. And that's why I've created the CRA Audit Readiness Framework. It breaks down your response into three simple steps. This is the exact framework I use with my crypto clients whenever a letter from the CRA shows up. So here's how it works. First up, clarify. Before you pull a single document, take a breath and actually read the letter. Which year are they looking at? What tax lines are they questioning? Are they asking about staking, trading, NFTs? Most mistakes happen right here when people misread the ask or they send way more than they need to. And I get it. When you're nervous, your instinct is to just send everything and hope it covers all the bases. But here's the thing, that can actually backfire. Sending everything you think might be safer, but it actually puts that CRA agent in a position of having to dig through a bunch of irrelevant information to find what they're asking for. That not only slows them down and raises red flags, it can make it look like you're hiding something, even if you're not. So always give them exactly what they ask for, no more, no less. And once you're clear on what they want, not what you think they want, then it's time for step 2. Now we're going to retrieve. And this is where we gather the original CSVs, exchange records, wallet addresses for the exact time period they have asked for. Not your crypto tax software report, not your entire transaction history, just what they asked for. And since this part trips up almost everyone, let me be really clear here. Those crypto tax software reports like Coinly or any summary PDF are not considered the valid audit documentation for CRA. They're helpful for getting a snapshot of your portfolio or estimating gains, but the CRA will not rely on them. Why? Because that data can be edited by you. It's not secure and unaltered. So if you send only a Coinly report and not the original CSVs from that exchange where the transactions have happened, you haven't really answered their request. And that can lead to delays, more questions, or even trigger an escalation. So always remember, only send the original source data from the exchange or wallet for the exact period they're asking for. And once you've done that, you're ready for step 3. Last step is articulate. You're going to need to write a short, plain English explanation of what you're doing. No jargon, no crypto alphabet soup, just tell your story clearly, simply, specifically. This is often the step that decides whether your case is going to be closed or escalate to full audit. Now, does this really work? I've used this framework with multiple clients who have received CRA requests for information letters. In every single case, we were able to satisfy the requests and avoid escalation to the full audit. Why? Because we gave the CRA exactly what they needed, no more, no less, and we explained it clearly. Let's do a quick stress test right now. Think about your crypto activity from last year. Do you have your original CSVs? Are they backed up in one place? Easy to find, easy to grab if you need them? If not, then that might be your sign to start building your audit ready package now and not when the CRA clock starts ticking. So out of these 3 steps, clarify, retrieve, and articulate, which one of you feels like the biggest headache? Just drop that one word in the comments below. I'd love to know where you're getting stuck. Now, if you're thinking this one framework could seriously save me from a meltdown if the CRA ever calls, you are absolutely right. Simple systems like these are what separate confident audit ready investors from overwhelmed reactive ones. So I've put together a CRA audit readiness checklist. It's a one-page checklist that walks you through all three steps. You'll get key questions to answer and the most common traps to avoid in each section. You can grab the checklist for free using the link below. Download it, save it to your tax folder, and the next time you get a letter from the CRA or you want to just sleep a little easier, you'll know exactly what to do. Till next time, here's to more crypto profits minus the tax stress.